Sefira that is called Yesod of Malchut, and the Sefira of Yesod in my soul, we spoke about that the nefesh is built from the 10 Sefirot, that has 10 Kochot HaNefesh. The Sefira of Yesod in my nefesh is the power to get connected to something else. And specifically, the Sefira of Yesod is my connection to a Tzadik. We know that the Sefira of Yesod is directly connected to a Tzadik. As we say about a Tzaddik, Tzaddik Yesod Olam, the Tzaddik is the foundation of the world. So the Sefira of Yesod in my soul is the ability to get connected to the Tzaddik. And now I definitely don't have the time why specifically I need to be connected to the Tzaddik, but the Tzaddik, said in a very short way, the Tzaddik is my mediator to the Kadosh Baruch Hu, the link that allows me to connect to the Kadosh Baruch Hu. So I need the way that I will have this connection, this hitkashrut, and the Sefira of Yesod allows me to get connected to the Tzaddik. We are counting Yesod of Malchut, so that's already kind of, wait a minute, the Yesod is the Tzaddik, when the Malchut is the king. So isn't the king the Tzaddik? So we know that can be two at the same time. Can be a king and a Tzaddik. Doesn't mean that they're the same one. So nevertheless, even David HaMelech, as great as a king as he was, he had a teacher. He was also humble in front of everybody. He says, Mikol melamdai eskalti, I've learned from everybody. But nevertheless, a real king, a true king, as great as he is, and as powerful as he is, he still has the ability and the desire to be humble in front of a spiritual leader. This means to be connected to the Tzaddik. Now, the power of Yesod, the Sefira of Yesod, is this power to be able to have this hitkashrut. Now, for example, was Lag BaOmer, 600,000 people went to Lag BaOmer to Meron. 600,000 is the biggest event we have in Israel, bigger than any show, any football game, not such a thing. Can you imagine? This is just physically. Just imagine how many other millions saw it in front of a screen and so forth. But there were 600,000 lucky people who went there. Why do you go there? We know we can go there every day. A lot of people told me, no, you're going to Meron Lag BaOmer? Well, I can go there every day. Of course I go on Lag BaOmer, don't get me wrong. But I can go there every day. But why do you go there? Because there's a tzaddik staying there.